So basically what happened was I decided to take out the vapor barrier, and it left all of these little, butyl tape marks that I had to take out with a heat gun and stuff. Like you could see right there and there, and some of it got everywhere else. So basically what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use Goo Gone and get all of it off. I have about half a bottle here. I should be able to do the entire door with it. You don't need that much, probably like dabs of it. Just dab it on some blue towel cloth and just take it off. And after that, I got some purple powder. I'm gonna take that, spray it off, spray some of it on a towel, wipe it off, and then clean all of the butyl tape off. That way we can get a good seal for the new butyl tape and vapor barriers that I have for this car, since I had a leak and I'm trying to figure out which one it is. But here we go. So right here, this is the result. Nice clean door sills. And Goo Gone has this like little slippery film residue that's gonna, not work well with the butyl seals. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of purple power degreaser, so I can just get all that stuff off of there, clean up whatever extra residue is in there. And you don't want to leave this on there. What you want to do is actually spray a little bit of one paper towel and wipe the entire thing down, like all the corners that got in contact with the Goo Gone, and then clean it up, and then actually take another one, a wet one, and go back over it again, so that way you get off any of the residue of this purple powder, because you don't want this purple powder staying on your paint. It will damage and deteriorate clear coat and gloss, and I want to keep the inside of the doors the original color of the car. I don't want it fading or anything anytime soon, so that's the reasoning for that. Anyways, let's get on to it. So now I'm test fitting the vapor barrier, and I'm about to put on the seals. So basically I'm just making sure that I have everything situated right, that it's the correct door seal, that it fits right, and where I need to put my butyl tape. So we'll see in a minute.